of her stories, all about Millie Molly Mandy, for someone who is turning 7 years old tomorrow. And versus somebody who's... Thank you, Matt. James in Sherborne, hello. Janet Jackson in a rusty Datsun. See? Get a travel update at our website whenever...
Kids, and it was just such a welcoming place to be. I mean, we've used a soft play, you know, when it was...
Sorry? Right, warm up. Actually, I was going to suggest a round of introductions, as we've got some new faces.
18 in Northamptonshire Record Office after a determined search for the lost manuscript. And here it is, performed by the BBC singers and organist Richard Pearce.
Myself not to forget, just to feel words. I've been